Hey guys, so this is my first time doing Gel X nails, but I wanted to show you how I prep them because that's the most important part to make it last long. So the first thing I'm doing is pushing back my cuticles. Next, I'm going to take a drill bit that's meant for the cuticles. I'm just going to drill it off because I haven't touched them in like 5 weeks. I think it's important to do this because if you don't, I've noticed lifting in my nails. Now I'm going to gently file or buff the surface of my nails to get rid of the shine so that the Gel X nails can properly adhere to it. Now I'm just cutting off the dead skin at the base of my nail. Next, I'm just applying a nail dehydrator, which dries out the surface of the nail even more so that the product can properly adhere to it. This is a non-acid primer, and you do a thin layer of this before anything else so that your nails will not lift as well. I did this off camera, but I drilled the surface of the inside of the nail to remove the shine so the glue could properly adhere. Now I'm brushing the glue on, and you want to leave kind of a thick drop at the base so that it can fill in the nail gap. So right now I'm pushing from the base out, and then you want to flash cure this under a UV light, and I got this set from Amazon, and it's the Beatles set for $20. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing for the next 4 nails. This is my hair peeking through because this is my second time trying that finger and it just wasn't working, but now it worked, so that was good. So since the nails were only flash cured under that small light, I'm putting it under the UV for a full minute and taking it out. Now I'm going to take my acrylic nail clipper and just clip it to the desired length, and I also got this on Amazon for about $8. I do my other hand off camera just to save time, and it's just more difficult to do it on camera. Now this is how both hands look when I glue them on and I shape them up. I'm doing a French tip for all my nails, so what I'm doing is using my real nail as a guide to where to paint the white onto, like the arch of my natural nails. I'm going to do the same thing for the next 4 nails as well. So off camera, I took a small brush that had no product on it, and I kind of cleaned up the arch of the nail even more to just make it look more aesthetically pleasing, if you will. And I'll show you that in a minute. As you can see, it looks a lot better and cleaner, so I recommend you do that as well. Now I'm going to cure it for a minute and then take it out. Next, I'm just going to do a second coat of the white on all my nails to make it look more opaque. If you're wondering what white nail polish I'm using, this is a gel nail polish from Amazon. It's also the Beatles brand, and I think I bought this in a set of other 5 nail polishes for like $10 or so. Now that it looks all pretty, I'm going to cure it again for a minute and then take it out when it's done. What I'm applying to my nails now is the Beatles Gel Top Coat, and this is what's going to make the rhinestones stick to the nail. So this is my favorite part. I am applying the rhinestones to just different parts of my nail with my rhinestone picker-upper thing. I think it's just like wax on a stick basically, and I got it from, I think, Amazon as well. And I think I got these rhinestones on Amazon too, and these aren't like the typical white rhinestones even though it looks like it. These are actually kind of like the holographic ones, or like just the colorful ones that look prettier. I'm also alternating the pattern with the rhinestones, so if you can see on the index, I start the rhinestone in the top left corner, and then the middle finger I'm starting in the top right, so I'm just switching it up to not make it look exactly the same, but it low-key does look the exact same, so it's okay. That's alright with me. So I noticed that once you put rhinestones on a gel top coat, it will start to slide, so I try and fix it up before I cure it. So I recommend you check the rhinestones before you cure it, because like on the thumb they're like almost sliding off. So now that it looks good, I cure it for a minute and then take it out. And then now I'm going to do that same top coat over all of them, and I want to kind of do a thicker layer just to make sure that the crystals are encapsulated in there. And for the final time, I cure it for 1 minute under the UV light, and then I take it out and it looks amazing. Now I'm going to do my right hand, which I did off camera. I'm going to cure it as well and take it out. And this is the final product, guys. I think it turned out really nicely. If you've liked the video, you should definitely subscribe, because I'm going to do more nail art like this. I found the inspo on Pinterest, and yeah, have a great day.